Hello and welcome to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. In today's video, I will show you my curried flavor lamb stew. My stew is for the bold people who love bold taste. Now in the past, I've experimented in the kitchen with some lamb and I quite wasn't convinced. But this stew right here is amazing. My kids approved it. It is so delicious, so tender. My stew just really warms the soul. Now to my vegan and vegetarian viewers, all you have to do is add some chickpeas or lentils and you can experience the same flavors. I just wouldn't season as aggressively. For those who do not like the heat, just don't use the chili oil, red chili flakes, and use a little bit of black pepper. As always, make this dish your own. As you will see, I did the same and I continue to add and change things until I was satisfied with the taste. I hope my video inspires you. Be kind, be great, and enjoy. The seasoning mix that you see me creating here was actually done a while ago. These are two separate videos. However, this is the seasoning that I use for this lamb stew. After I mix the seasonings, I put them in the refrigerator to preserve them. When you make it the first day, just taste it for the flavors and the freshness. I felt that the seasonings were a little flat, and that's why you see me adding additional seasonings. You want to layer in your flavors and seasonings so that you don't under-season it or over-season it. This is the reason why it's important to taste your food while cooking. So wonderful. I'm gonna let this cook down for 5 more minutes before I put all the other liquids. It is at a 5-6 right now, almost to a high, but a 5-6. My high is an 8. In about 5 minutes, get that deep color right there. All of these additional seasonings will be labeled in the description as bolder taste. Spicy, so cook down a little bit once I put in the liquids. How I like it. Kidney beans would go well in here too. This is what I felt like today. Another one because of all of the acid from the tomatoes. I'm afraid that the acid would be too much for me. I think I might add just a little baking soda if it's too acidy towards the end, but we'll see. It's spicy now, but I know it will tone itself down a bit. And then once this cooks, I'll taste it again to see if the texture is what I want, as well as the flavor. So if the flavors are not what I want it to be, I would add more. So far, it's nice and spicy. I may have to put a little salt, but I'm gonna wait till the end. I'm gonna let that sit right there. I save some for the end. And then the cilantro, I don't want the cilantro to burn during the cooking process. Garlic because I honest it, so that's what's missing. Garlic and onion powder. It really gives it a very better taste. Now that's perfect. After my daughter recommended it, which I totally agree.
You're welcome.
Yes, she definitely has the palate for that.
I love getting my kids involved in the kitchen. As you can see here, I got a thumbs up. If you learned something new today and enjoy my video, please be sure to share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.